Apple is preparing to launch business chat, Fiverr acquires & Co, and the European Union hits Qualcomm with a $1.23 billion fine. It's Wednesday, January 24th, and this is Crunch Report.
Oh, hi.
Hey yo, it's Wednesday, and it's a happy Wednesday. Okay, here's the news. Apple is preparing to roll out a new feature in iMessage that will allow consumers to chat directly with businesses through Apple's messaging platform. The feature, called Business Chat, was announced last year at Apple's Worldwide Developer Conference and will debut this spring with launch partners including Discover, Hilton, Lowe's, and Wells Fargo. Apple says Business Chat will launch with the public release of iOS 11.3 this spring. Fiverr, an online marketplace where businesses can hire freelancers, is acquiring & Co, a New York City startup building online tools that freelancers can use to manage their client relationships. The biggest change that will be happening right away is that the price for & Co will now be free. & Co was started at the Pre-Hype Incubator. It raised a $2 million seed round led by Thrive Capital in 2016. The financial terms of the acquisition were not disclosed. & Co will continue to operate as a separate brand for now, with the entire team joining Fiverr. In companies being fined news, the European Commission today announced that it would be fining Qualcomm 997 million euros, or $1.23 billion, for abusing its market position between 2011 and 2016 related to its relationship with Apple. The figure works out to 4.9% of Qualcomm's revenues in 2017. Qualcomm says it will appeal the case and that the decision does not relate to Qualcomm's licensing business and has no impact on ongoing operations. That's the report for today. Hit that like or love button, share this video, and keep raging. Crunch Reports every weekday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific on TechCrunch.com. You can also find us on iTunes and on YouTube. All right.